explaining the G-clamp in English. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of tools to uncover the meaning behind the phrase G-clamp. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or just curious, understanding this term can be helpful. A G-clamp, or sometimes called AC clamp in some regions, is a type of clamp device typically used to hold or secure objects tightly together to prevent movement or separation through the application of inward pressure. It's a very useful tool, especially in woodworking and metalworking. Imagine the letter G. The shape of this clamp resembles it, hence the name. It has a screw mechanism at one end that allows the user to adjust the tightness of the grip. 1. Frame. The main body of the clamp, shaped like a G. This part is typically made of steel or cast iron for strength. 2. Screw. This part is adjusted to close or open the clamp. As it's turned, it moves closer or farther from the frame. 3. Anvil or swivel pad. This is the part at the opposite end of the screw. It ensures even pressure and prevents damage to the material being clamped. While primarily associated with woodworking and metalworking, the G-clamp has a multitude of applications. Holding wood or metal, especially when gluing, welding, or cutting. Crafting, for holding materials in place. Temporary repair, like holding broken furniture parts together until a more permanent fix. Workshop tasks, holding objects still to make precise adjustments. And there you have it, the G-clamp in all its glory. Next time you come across this term, not only will you understand its meaning but also its function and importance. We hope this video shed light on yet another fascinating corner of the English language. Stay curious and keep learning.